I should probably start out by pointing out the fact that in the 18 months I've owned this car, and the 30,000 miles that I've done, apart from having to reset the software like twice in 18 months, I haven't had any faults at all with the car. In fact, today's fault that I have to go to the Tesla service centre for isn't actually a fault with the car. It's a fault with the cable, the granny charger as they're often known. So what I'm expecting is that this is going to get replaced under warranty today. My charging cable, my Tesla charging cable that I need to charge the car up at home, has a fault. And I went to the Tesla app to book a service appointment, and they're so busy that the nearest place that had a service appointment for me today, and I need to go today, is Stratford on Avon. So I booked the appointment and I've accepted the fact that I have to spend an entire day driving to Stratford on Avon. However, I rang Tesla, the customer service line, and told them this predicament, told them that it's the charging cable, and said to them, if I drop in at the Bristol service centre on my way up, do you think they might be able to check it out? And he said, yes, it doesn't make any sense, you have to drive to Stratford on Avon. But I'm keeping the appointment, so worst case scenario, if Bristol say no, I can't, they can't help me, I will keep on driving to Stratford on Avon. So let's see what happens when I get to Bristol. Sometimes common sense does prevail. While I was driving up the M5, heading to Stratford on Avon, I got a text message from Tesla saying, no, your appointment is now at Bristol because we're not going to make you drive to Stratford on Avon. So really nice that it wasn't the case that the computer says no, drive to Stratford on Avon. And I've just arrived at the Tesla centre. I'm half an hour early for my appointment. So I'm charging up, supercharging, and hopefully I'll check my cable and find out that it's going to be a new one. I can go home. Let's see what happens. Let's get the offending item out of here. So those of you who've got these, you'll know that when you plug it in, this bit goes, it lights up green, the letters, the Tesla's light up green, but that top T was going a funny orangey red colour, and apparently that is a sign they are on the blink, which is an old-fashioned expression. This is the Cribbs Causeway Tesla service centre. The cable's not working, so he's coming up with a warning on the car saying that it's too hot.
Okay. Does the car charge everywhere else?
Everywhere else. Destination charge, supercharge is fine. And just get that T lights up orange.
Yes, okay, fine. And how are you using an extension lead by any chance?
No.
I'm going to have to take the car in to test it with this.
Okay.
And we need to just, obviously, test it ourselves, and then we'll see if we've got a new cable in stock for you.
Cool, thanks.
All right.
Okay.
Have you got a key card for me?
I have, yeah. It's on the charger.
And is there a pin to drive on your car? Perfect. Coffee and water's upstairs if you would like to go upstairs and hang about. And I should be about 20 minutes or so.
Perfect.
It shouldn't be too long.
Okay.
All right.
Cheers.
No problem.
I'm going to have some coffee and some fresh fruit and a banana. Nice. So thank you very much, Tesla. That was very impressive and very efficient. I have been in there less than half an hour. Sorted, new cable in the boot, and they even put it back on the supercharger for me, which I don't need now. I've got the working cable. And there's my new cable, replacement cable. Awesome. Regular viewers of my channel will know this, but tomorrow all that artwork has been taken off the car and updated with new artwork, because one of the things I'm relying on to make the dream of this channel come true, which is taking my family around the world in a seaplane, is making enough money to fund it. And for that, I'm relying on Best Agent Success. So that branding's been on the car for about a year. Tomorrow it's being taken off and replaced with new branding. So thank you very much, Tesla, for not making me drive all the way to Stratford on Avon and for squeezing me into Bristol this morning. Common sense prevailed, and you've saved me a huge amount of time, and you've replaced the cable under warranty, and I'm still zero cost on my car maintenance after 31,000 miles. So long may that continue.